First law, the law of inertia, states that an object that is at rest or moving stays that way, resting or in a constant speed, undefined until an outside force intervenes. For example, imagine you got a cup, a card on top, and then a coin. The coin will stay upon until an external force moves the card. That makes the coin fall into the cup. So the coin is at rest and then is going to be in movement. Another example will be a runner who continues running some meters past the finish line. The force of inertia is what prevents him from braking immediately.
The second law of Newton, also known as the law of motion, states that the momentum or acceleration a body gains is proportional to the force that is applied to that object, and oppositely corresponding to its mass. Some examples of this phenomenon is when riding a bicycle, the force you put in the pedals determines the momentum that bicycle acquires, or when pushing a shopping cart, it will be easier or harder to move if it's empty or full. It can also be seen in rocket launching, where it needs a lot of thrust to lift the whole thing into space.
Third Newton law. This means that always that an object move, push, or press another object, this last will react giving the same force back. We have some examples as pushing someone inside a pool, when we drive a nail, or when we row a boat. For example, in a boat, we need to push backwards in order to move forwards. This is because the strength that we push backwards is back to us pushing us forwards. Or, when we push someone inside a pool, we push ourselves too in the opposite direction.